Rhulani, no doubt a frustrating result at the end there.
Yeah. Well, I don't know, because you know who I feel more pity for is Spurs, Richards Bay. You know, those are the teams I feel sorry for. But anyway, all right. But anyway,
it was a bit of a controversial moment towards the end there, because initially the goal offside given, overturned by the man in charge.
It's shocking, very shocking. But anyway, okay, guys, okay. I have to look at it. We dominated. We created a lot of chances. We should have been very clear by halftime. We had also an opportunity to make it 3 there. We pass. I don't know. And also, when we see that he's offside, we should not head it back. So I'll have to look and see. But okay, but that's yeah.
Coach, hard luck today.
All right, thank you.
Tough job.